towards town, and I'm not really seeing any lowering yet from my location.
Well, it is Tuesday. The storms have started, and here's a quick look at like the mesoscope discussions, and we are we gotta be like right down here, so everything's gonna be north of us, at least what they're talking about. Let's see if I can take a quick picture here. I don't know if I can zoom in on that any better, but yeah, well, we're like right here, so we're like right on the southern edge. Okay, well, it's just 7 o'clock. Just after 7 o'clock, got called out for storm spotting, so we're watching this cell here. It's just about ready to slide right through us and everything. They're talking about what's that yellow line up here. I don't know how much of it you'll be able to see.
On location with K0JSL.
Out by the airport again. I'm going to stop at a bite to eat. Let the storm go by and see if we need to do anything else. And if you can see it here, here's that little squall line they've been talking about. There's part of it. Again, we're up toward right by the airport, so a lot of the view is not obstructed that much. But when that comes through, they're going to be moving the car again, so we'll see what happens.
Is the Skyward Net, 55 stations on frequency. That's cool. This is K0GND.
It's moving quickly towards town, and I'm not really seeing any lowering yet from my location. Hey, Rick, what direction is it moving? DD0 Chris and I are thinking like southwest, and directly behind us it does look like it's starting to kind of come down like the rain.
Over here.
Directly behind us, DD0.
Alright, and that cell you're seeing is to your northwest up in Saunders County, right?
Yeah, this is the squall line here, or gust front.
Yes, 2-1.
Thank you.
Looks a lot worse over there.
Jack, KBSRZP, K0GND. Said K0GND.
I can't see a lot to the northwest. KB0RZP. Q2.
This is us trucking.
Sorry, that helped. K0C, K0GND.
Yes, it does. Basically what I'm looking at is I see that little notch in the radar there, and that's the area of concern that I've got. K0C.
K0GND.
KD0ONN.
Go ahead, Richard.
KD0ONN on location at 5-5. I have winds measured
Down here.
at 13 miles an hour. The wind is out of the south. Temperature is 86 degrees. There are multiple patches of low clouds heading northeast, and I can see patches of blue sky. KD0ONN 0.55.
Thank you, Richard. K0GND with the Skyward Net.
N0RHL23.
Go ahead, John.
I've got a lot of lowering scud and sort of a ragged shelf cloud coming in directly from my north, moving south. It's going to be moving over the city. It looks beautiful.
And here's someone else who's kind of doing the same thing today. From Oswego, sunny Oswego, storm forecasting and observation program. Just pulled up, getting some dinner over here at McDonald's. There's another van that has Oswego on it. I guess they're out storm chasing too. It says Oswego. And there's another van that says Oswego on it. And then there's the other one over there. The one that was parked next to us and everything had New York plates on it. And this van here, can't really tell. But he's doing, I can't really tell on the plates. But that's okay. And there's another Oswego. That's the one with New York plates. So, well, welcome to Nebraska and Nebraska weather. Looks like they're gonna head west. Okay, we're back at home because it's getting pretty darn dark and everything, but got a nice little lightning show going. Watch how fast these clouds are moving, man. I don't know how good you can see it, but they're really hauling ass. These here are moving to be to the southwest. So, but we got another line. We got another cell coming in out by York and everything. A good little cell and everything. 70-mile-an-hour wind and hail and all that stuff. So it'll be like round 2.
Has just now stopped hailing. Visibility is less than a mile. Now copy. This is Kitty 0 Essex 31.
Copy, Nickel Hail, thank you. Greg, did you have any hail on 1-4?
3-1 and 3-4, thank you. 70 Essex.
Here comes some hail. I think I better get inside it. They said it could be like baseball size. There we go. Now we got a little bit of wind. 11:28 p.m. Still storming outside. Thought we were done for tonight. Blake took my spot. Laptop here. Oh boy. Local weather, 10:11 News, CBS.
Up in Fillmore, York, and northeastern Clay County also until 11.
Alright, we're going to check out things outside here. Raining, downpouring pretty good. Not all that bad. Yeah, I'm wearing my coat and everything because I don't want to get too soaking wet. My camera's waterproof and everything. I'm just checking for any like flooding or any fun stuff like that. But you really can't tell. Well, this is about right. The only real down trees or anything down I can see is this one here. If you can see it right here, not that big, came off this huge tree here. There. Yeah. We're going to have a little bit of flooding going on. Isn't too bad though. Just as you can see in there. And you can see it coming out the drain pipe there. Going down pretty good. But it's just water. We got insurance, we're good.